Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying inputs and array sizes so you don't guess later. Check that every index you compute stays within 0 and length 1 if you receive user input, parse, and clamp values. Once done, add temporary logs that print the index and the array length before any access. This helps you see off-by-one mistakes immediately. Make sure to inspect loops where index changes and confirm initial and terminal values match the array bounds. You now trace code paths that reach the array access to find the logic flaw. Walk through loops and conditional branches and check any calculations that produce an index. Off-by-one or integer division errors are common. Once done, insert guard clauses or assertions that fail early if index is invalid, and step through with a debugger or targeted logs to observe runtime values. Make sure to examine asynchronous callbacks or event handlers that might run later with stale indices. You finish by applying the fix, running focus tests, and validating edge cases. Correct the index calculation or add explicit bounds checks, then run unit tests using 0, length 1, and length inputs to ensure behavior is safe. Once done, refactor any repeated access into helper functions to avoid repeating the mistake. If problems persist, isolate and reproduce the issue in a minimal snippet so you can iterate quickly and identify lifecycle or concurrency causes that alter a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.